Let's practice our solving again. Make sure you pause the video, try them, and then check the answer or see the explanation. That way you make sure that you're getting your independent practice as well. Just watching this is not going to be good enough. You need to practice. Alrighty, so let's do it. First thing I'm going to do, add 12 because I want to isolate that x squared. I have x squared equals 16. The square root of both sides because I want to cancel out that squared part. I get x equals plus or minus 4. Boom, I'm done. I have positive 4 as a possible answer, and I have negative 4 as a possible answer. Let's try the next one. Okay, I'm going to add 4. I get 5x squared equals 100. Ooh, should I take the square root of both sides right now because I know the square root of 100? No, not quite. Let's divide by 5. We want to isolate that x squared, so I get x squared equals 20. Square root both sides so I can get rid of that squared because that's what undoes the squared. Square roots undo the squared. And I get x equals plus or minus the square root of 20. Can I leave it like that? No! I got to look for perfect squares. So I can take out a 4 here, and I'm left with 5. 4 times 5 is 20, so I can simplify it that way. The square root of 4 right here is 2, so I'm going to be left with x equals plus or minus 2 times the square root of 5. Bada boom, bada bang, we're done. And here we can get our decimal approximation. We didn't need it in the first one, but here we can get x is equal to approximately plus or minus 4.47. Remember, what we may notice here is that when it's just plus or minus this guy right here, you only really need one decimal with the plus or minus. But when we have like 3 plus or minus something, that's when you end up having like 2 separate looking answers for your decimal equivalent.